Well, here's a spot. I thought I saw a road come in, and I kind of sort of did. We're not going to go far, but evidence of raccoons and stuff up here. Duggar, stay here. I'm just going to show a little bit. But whatever this road goes, there's water on either side, but this is high up on a bank. But it's a little point. Doug, come on. We're going back. Too many skeeters. Come on. But it has stopped to get out and stretch. We both had to kind of take a pee. But out here on this point, there's one of these spots, like, you know, you say, well, I don't know. Dang, skeeters. But see, there's this beautiful little spot with the river right there in the canoe. And so as far as, you know, having a place to camp or something there, now this is probably private property, but you know, they ain't gonna just drive up on you, and if they do, you just say, I'm sorry, I'm down here camping on the river. So you can apologize, and if you ain't making a mess or nothing. But we came from that direction, that's south, and we heading in that direction. So I pushed up here on the bank, and let me show you something. I pushed up with the nose so far that it's actually made this canoe really tippy, and you'll fall out bigger it's not. So you have to be careful. So what I'm fixing to do is I'm gonna pull the back end around over here, and then I'm going to step in from the side. But it got so steep so quick, and it got really rocky. I am not going to try to get back in it like that. It's just silliness. So people say, well, canoes, you can get flipped out. Yeah, you can, but you know, you can also look at the situation, and maybe you can turn it sideways, back it up, or whatever. I've fallen in too many times, I know. But anyway, so going to make short clips so not to where the battery is wear out, but I'll do another one in a bit. Bye. There's the Ochlocknee River, October the 14th, and up there in the clouds at the top of that, where's that tree? Oak tree. There's a moon up there. But anyway, okie doke.